Here are 25 websites where you can make money online doing simple things. On 4 of this website, you get paid for watching videos. You watch a minute or 2 minutes videos and you get paid. 4 other websites here we pay you for reading books. So if you're a book lover, this is for you. 3 other ones we pay you for answering questions. If you have a sweet voice and you know how to answer questions, definitely this is a must check out for you. The 4 other ones we pay you for taking surveys. So on this website, you go on to answer simple survey questions and you get paid few dollars. 3 more are websites where you're going to make money online with print on demand. So you sell product without actually having the product. The next 4 are affiliate marketing platforms where you make a lot of money selling other people's product. And the last 3 we pay you for drop shipping. Guess what? Because I have so much respect for your time, I'm not going to waste your time. So in 8 minutes, we are out of here. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do on this website to make money. I'll give you the link and then we'll move on to the next one. Are you ready? Yes. Hello. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you'll be part of this community where I bring you amazing money making opportunities and ideas. So without further ado, let's dive into 25 websites where you can make money doing things online. Heads up, there are some of these websites where you have to do some work before you get paid. Again, this is not going to make you millionaire overnight. They don't make you enough money to quit your job. This is just earning few dollars here and there for spending a little time on this website. So, the first set of sites we pay you for watching videos. So if you enjoy watching videos, why not? So on these platforms, you watch a minute or 2 minutes videos. Some of them we pay you cash. Some of them you earn points that you later convert to cash to withdraw it or use it to buy things online. Some of these websites require you use VPN for best result, especially if you live in Africa. This way, you'll be able to have a lot of videos to watch and earn from. Here are the website, Swagbox, My Point. My Point will pay you $5 as welcome bonus. So as soon as you sign up, you earn $5 for coming in. The next one is Inbox Dollar. The fourth one is Fiverr. On Fiverr, you create a free account like this, then you go on to start watching people's videos, you get paid for that. A lot of YouTubers who are struggling to get monetized are actually open to paying you to watch their videos and drop reasonable comments on their videos. The second set of websites we pay you for reading books. So if you're a book lover like me, it's time to make money doing what you love. Now on this site, you can actually get paid for reviewing books. You read a book, you drop a review for the author, or you proofread book or edit it. Now, how much you get paid depends on the exact task you execute. If you proofread and edit, you make more money than dropping just a review. These books could be fiction, non-fiction, classics, indie books, just anyone you are good at. You're going to find all of them on this website. The first website is called Kiku's Media. We have Readsy, the online book club, and finally Upwork. So on Upwork, you can create a gig where you review people's book and then you get paid. Interesting thing about Upwork is that there's no limit to how much you get paid. So you actually name your price and you get paid that if you're good at what you do. The third set of websites we pay you for answering questions. So if you have a sweet voice and you enjoy the idea of interacting with people, getting asked questions and you respond, then this is a perfect match for you. So for example, on Apple Home Advisor, when people contact Apple, you respond. You will be their human connection to Apple, friendly, thoughtful, and real you. So they basically ask you questions about their product and services, and you respond. That's exactly what you get paid for doing on this site. The second website where you're also going to answer questions and get paid is Study Pool. This is an amazing site where you connect with students. So if you're an expert in any topic, this is definitely a site you need to check out, and their link is contained in the description of this video. The third website here is justanswer.com. People come over here and ask questions. As an expert in that particular field, you'll be called to respond to them and you get paid for doing this. This is actually very sweet and it works best if you are good at what you do. The next set of sites is where you're going to get paid for taking surveys. This one, you don't need any special knowledge to get this done. So on survey site, you just get asked simple questions about a product or service. Then you respond, give them your honest answer regarding that. You get paid for that. So here are a couple of websites where you're going to get paid real money for taking surveys. Userfeel, Zap Surveys, Swagbox, and Prolific. On this site, you simply create a free account. Some of them will even pay you sign-up bonus. You go on to participate in surveys and you get paid at the end of every survey. The next set of site is print on demand. So print on demand is basically you designing something like this t-shirts, a mug, or just anything. You create the design, then you upload it on this site. They go on to sell it for you. When people place order, they will be the one to print that your design on the product, and then they sell it for you. Print on demand business requires you know how to design, so you can go on to design it like this, brand it so well, it looks so good, and a lot of people are interested in it. Here are the website where you're going to sell your print on demand product: Etsy, Amazon Merch, and Stan Store. On this site, you simply create a free account, go on to list your designs. When people like them, they place order. The platform itself does the work for you and even delivers it and then pay you for the design. The next set of website is where you are going to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically selling other people's product and services and getting commission each time someone buys that product using your affiliate link. So if you're a newbie, you don't have any product or service, you don't have any excuse not to make money from this site. On this website, you're going to see a lot of product from different niches, different types of product and services that you can actually sell to your audience. So you need to go on there and see the ones that a lot of people are interested in buying, or maybe the one your own audience is interested in buying. Get your affiliate link, go on to promote this product. Once you make sales, once anyone buys using your affiliate link, you get a commission. The commission rate can be as high as 80-90%. Here are the website where you're going to do this affiliate marketing: ClickBank, Flipkart, Shopify Affiliate, and Amazon Associates. On this website, you create a free account, then you sign up as an affiliate, get your affiliate link, start promoting, and start making money. The last set of sites will pay you for dropshipping. Dropshipping is selling somebody's physical products and then getting a commission for doing so. As a dropshipper, what you need to do is to get a buyer, get the details, collect your money, then forward these details to the wholesaler or the importer. Then the wholesaler takes the stress of delivering this product to your customer. You are just a middleman linking the two up, and in most cases you even earn much more than the owner of that product, depending on the commission rate, which you are the one to decide. A lot of pages you see on Instagram are actually dropshippers, so it's definitely something you can do. Here are websites where you can make money drop shipping. So we have Shopify, AliExpress, and Obelo. So that is it, guys. 25 websites where you're going to make money doing simple things. I hope you got value from this video. Please give this a thumbs up and remember to subscribe if you've not. See you in my next video.